Hello everyone, I'm Arima Khanam and welcome back to Balaji Online Classes. Today I'm going to teach you adverbs. What are adverbs? And this video is for 4th standard, 5th standard, 6th standard and 7th standard students. This is the 16th chapter of 4th standard, 11th chapter of 5th standard, 17th chapter of 6th standard and 13th chapter of 7th standard. So in this chapter, we'll be studying about adverbs. What are the kinds of adverbs? The adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, adverbs of place, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of degree. We'll be studying in this. We'll be studying about compound adverbs. We'll be studying about comparisons of adverbs as we do in adjectives. And we will be studying about the formation of adverbs. So let's get started with the main concept. What are adverbs? Adverbs are words that adds meaning to the verbs, adjectives and other adverbs in a sentence. Adverbs वो words होते हैं जो verbs को, adjectives को और अगर दूसरा कोई adverb sentence में है उसे modify करते हैं. There are different types of adverbs we'll be studying. There are different kinds. The first one is adverb of manner. It asks us how an action is done and tells how an action or in what way the action is done. For example, and I will tell you the uses also. As I told you, it tells us how an action is done. For example, the child writes clearly. How does a child write? He writes clearly. उसका जो वर्ब है, जो एक्शन है, उसको हम मॉडिफाई कर रहे हैं, उसके बारे में हम कुछ ज्यादा बता रहे हैं एंड वी आर यूजिंग द वर्ड क्लियरली. हम एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर में मोस्टली एडजेक्टिव में ly लगाते हैं एंड इट बिकम्स एन एडवर्ब. द सोल्जर फॉट ब्रेवली. हाउ डिड द सोल्जर्स फाइट? दे फॉट ब्रेवली. द नेक्स्ट वन इज एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. इट टेल्स अस व्हेन एन एक्शन इज डन and ask when an action is done. For example, the train arrived late. When did the train arrive? It arrived late. It is telling the time. Can you read this now? Now they are asking कि क्या तुम इसे अभी पढ़ सकती हो? The next one is John spoke to me yesterday. So they are saying कि जॉन ने मुझसे बात की थी कल. सो दे आर टेलिंग लेट, नाउ, yesterday. These are all the different kinds of adverb of time. The next one is adverb of place. इससे आप समझ ही जाते होंगे. It tells us where an action is done. For example, do you stay here? तो यहाँ जो है here है वो बता रहा है किस place पे. He climbed down. कहाँ गया वो? नीचे गया. Take away the pen. यहां से ले जाओ ये पेन. ठीक है. Now these are all adverb of place. The next one is adverb of frequency. It tells us how often something or an action is done. For example, Tina often reads at night. What Tina does? She reads at night. And what how often that action is done? It is done often. He sometimes doesn't answer his call. So how often? Sometimes. Ashu frequently forgets to do his homework. So वो अपना homework, आशु जो है वो अपना homework करना भूल जाता है. कब? कितनी बार? How often? अक्सर. Adverb of degree answers the question how much or how fast. It tells us to what intensity an action is done. For example, these shoes are too big for you. So they are saying how big the shoes are. And adverbs of degree can also be used to modify other adverbs. If any other adverb is used in a sentence, adverb of degree modifies that. So they are called adverb of degree. For example, the soldiers fought very bravely. We can write soldiers fought bravely, but we are using another word or adverb for the adverb used bravely, और वो adverb है very. तो हम इसे एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री कहते हैं जब हम एडवर्ब को मॉडिफाई करते हैं। एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री ऑल्सो मॉडिफाइज एडवर्ब्स एंड वर्ब्स। सो जब वर्ब को हम मॉडिफाई करते हैं इन ए सेंटेंस, दैट इज एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई नियरली मिस द turn. She hardly talks to anyone. Now coming to the next portion, that is for 7th standard, not for 4, 5, 6 standard students, as you will be studying this in 7th standard, and this is compound adverbs. Compound से आप समझ जाते हो जब एक दो words को आप एक साथ जोड़ते हैं, that becomes a compound. The adverb we studied so far in this lesson are examples of simple adverbs. जो हम अब तक पढ़ रहे थे वो simple adverbs थे, और अब हम पढ़ेंगे compound adverbs के बारे में। Adverbs that are a combination of two or more words are known as compound adverbs. Some examples of such adverbs are everyday, interest-free, hand in hand, up and about, sometimes, meanwhile, ahead, midway, etc. For example, they walked. How did they walk? The verb is modified hand in hand. So that is a compound adverb used in a sentence. The loan can be returned. So return interest free. So returned को हम modify कर रहे हैं. That action is modified and a compound adverb is used there. So the next one is formation of adverbs and comparison of adverbs you are going to study now. So these two are there. Comparison of adverbs आपको पता होगा, जैसे कि आप adjective में करते हैं, there is positive, comparative and superlative. The same way there is positive adverb, comparative adverb and superlative adverb. आप इसमें क्या करते हैं आपको पता है, अगर single syllable है तो आप उसमें just you will add er and est in the superlative, and if it is more than that then you know what to do as you do in the adjectives. But if it is ending with ly, so what do? You will add more in comparative and you will add most in superlatives. आप लोग क्या करते हैं, जब syllables ज्यादा होते हैं, दो से ज्यादा होते हैं, तो आप more and most का यूज करते हैं adjectives में, but इसमें जब ly और ly add होगा तो आप more and most का यूज करेंगे comparative and superlative respectively में। And then we will study about the formation of adverbs. That is, we'll be following some sets of rule. That is, one of the most common ways of forming adverbs is to add ly to adjective. Adverb thus formed are usually adverbs of manner. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, usually उसमें ly add कर देते हैं और वो adverb of manner होता है। जैसे kind becomes kindly, soft becomes softly, quiet become quietly, and brave become bravely, and so on. Amar is kind man. He spoke to the young girl kindly. So if he is a kind man, so how will he speak? He will speak kindly. If a person is brave, how will he behave or how will he fight? He will fight bravely. The next one is, when an adjective ends in y with the consonant before it, the y changes to I. If the word is ending with y and there is a consonant before the letter y, what do? That y will change into I and ly is added. Merry becomes merrily and ready becomes readily, noisy becomes noisily. Now the next one is adjectives that end in le. Drop the e and add y to form adverbs. तो जब le से end होता है तो आपको e हटा देना है और उसमें y को add कर देना है. Simple becomes simply, comfortable becomes comfortably. The next one is, two adverbs are sometimes joined together by the conjunction and again this way, repeatedly or frequently, through and through, on and off, far and near. So these are all the forms. Two adverbs are sometimes joined together by the conjunction and. तो हम लोग conjunction use करके भी adverbs बनाते हैं. The last one is, some adverbs which have the same form as adjective also form adverbs by adding ly. जिनका same form होता है adjective की तरह, उसमें भी हम लोग ly लगाते हैं. In such cases, the two words have entirely different meaning, but उनके meanings different होंगे. For example, hard, hardly, near, nearly or close. You can say almost, late, not in or on time, lately, recently. ठीक है. The most आप लोग समझ रहे हैं ना कि जब आप इसमें एडवर्ब में ly ऐड करते हो तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि वो सेम मीनिंग इम्पार्ट कर रहा है. इट मे हैव डिफरेंट मीनिंग. दोनों के मीनिंग्स डिफर करेंगे एंड दे विल चेंज if you are adding ly in adverbs. So that's it in this lesson. Do revise it. Do read all the things, all the types of adverbs you must know and what are their functions and uses. Do know about the compound adverbs. You will be studying it further in your classes, and how the formation of adverbs are done. And that's it. Download the exercises from School Mitra and start doing it in your copies and books as well, and do revise the lessons as your exams are approaching. Bye bye.